In this video, we are going to look at how to add additional content to the Canvas gradebook. The content we are going to demonstrate today are file submission and quizzes. To get started, let's click the plus assignment button, and we're going to give the assignment a name. So we're going to go ahead and select essay, paper, and you would give the description here. And then for points, we're going to leave it at 10. For assignment group, we're going to put it in week 5. For submission type, we're going to have online, and it's going to be a file upload. If there was a particular file format we don't want our students to use, we would click Restrict Upload File Types and put the file extension here. And then we scroll down to the next parameter, and then we check the due date, and let's see, we're going to enter that, and then available starting now, and end of the month. And then you would click Save. And to verify that the paper is now listed in the modules, we can go ahead and go down to week 5, and we see it is visible. Now, let's go ahead and add a quiz to week 5. So we just go back up to the top of the page, and we'll click plus assignment. Therefore, the assignment will be a quiz. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to say week 5 quiz. Then we're going to give it 20 points. The assignment group will be week 5. And the entry will be online. And it's going to be a text entry instead. And let's see, this will be due the 23rd, and then available starting now until the end of next month. And then we save and publish. And we can also do this information for the remaining weeks of the term. And as we see here, I need to publish that. But if we wanted to create additional assignments and additional quizzes, we would hit Save and New and Continue. But for this, we did Save and Publish. As you see, the content has been added to week 5. And that is the end of our video.